Hello everyone, this is Jose Campos with Surviving the Law, and here is the first time that we actually could not survive in Minnesota. An ICE agent killed an unarmed white woman, okay? Let's call it for what it is because now it's news. Finally, they killed a white woman, so everybody has to be up in arms. They have been killing other people, okay? And they have gotten police brutality on video, but this is the first time that we actually recognize that ICE is stepping over the border, over the line, and is doing something really bad. Okay, guys, we have to call it for what it is. Because now we have to save our white women. Which there's nothing wrong with that. I'm just saying that finally people are waking up and seeing that police brutality does exist. And you know what? Let's talk about this. Now, why are people up in arms? That's the reason. But now, there's the debate. It's disgusting, man. Like, the administration already have pardoned this guy without even knowing the facts. I'm not going to talk about this case. I'm not going to talk about whether the officer was right or wrong, whether the woman was right or wrong. You know what I really want? I want a trial. I want a court of law to determine what happened. And if a jury decides to convict this man, the jury has spoken. Or if a jury has decided that the state did not meet the burden of finding somebody guilty beyond a reasonable doubt, then the jury speaks. My thing is, let the jury decide what's going to happen. Certainly, for certain, something fishy is going on, okay? We all have seen the video. Just because it's legal doesn't mean that you have to do it. Let's assume that yes, it was legal that the guy shot the woman. Do we really want that in our nation? I don't know, guys. Minneapolis has been the epicenter of many protests, with George Floyd being one of them. Well, let's see what's going to happen. The Vice President of the United States already pardoned this guy. Already said he did nothing wrong. He didn't even read anything about this case. That's just disgusting, man. And for things like this, I just don't believe anything that this administration is doing. So what I want you to do is just have a trial. State trial. He allegedly committed a state crime. The feds are not going to do anything about it. So let's get that for certain. The feds are not going to convict this guy. They're not going to try him. Let a Minnesota trial happen, and let's see what happens. Bring charges, and if he's guilty, he's guilty. If he's not guilty, he's not guilty. Easy as that. Well, let's see what happens. Thank you, guys. Jose Campos with Surviving the Law. And in this case, please keep surviving. The worst is about to come this month. I predicted it, and it's happening right now. All right, guys. Peace.